5plus1 musketeers again. Today I'm going to show you how to do a basic scratch program on your laptop, on your iPad, anywhere. So you go to Chrome and I'm going to show you from the beginning. So let's get started. Okay, so now go to a browser like Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Chrome or Safari. Now let's get into Scratch. Type in scratch.mate.edu and click enter. Let it load in, and if you are in, you can see join Scratch because you're joining, and do the username and everything, username, password, and again type the password. I'm just gonna do that, but since I already have an account, I'm gonna sign in. Sign in with your account and remember the password. Now click on your username, go to my stuff. I have a lot of projects since I've done, but you can always click on new project. That's what I'm gonna do. And now it's gonna create. Okay, so now let's start it. So as you can see your sprite 1. So as you can see, I'm going to explain what's a sprite 1. Since in Scratch we call these characters sprite 1. Well, if you can see here, there's a cat plus symbol. If you can see, it says choose a sprite. We're gonna get to that later, and these are all the things that you can do with the sprite. So you can create your own sprite or upload one from the internet, or I'm not pretty sure. I'm gonna get to this surprise one later. This is a backdrop. So as you can see, it's blank. It's backdrop 1. It's called backdrop 1. It's always blank unless you go here and you click on choose backdrop. We're not going to get to that. So now, as you can see, these are the coding blocks. We are not going to do coding today since we are only beginning Scratch. And you can see motion, looks, sound, events. I'm gonna tell you that later. Events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. And if you go to costumes, you can see the different costumes of the character you're on. It depends on the character how your costume looks like. So just without uploading, you can see this, and it's gonna look like this sprite. And we're not gonna do sounds today. I'm just gonna tell you what you see on the costumes area. So this is paint. You can paint your costume. As you can see, there's a circle of purple when you're dragging your mouse. You can always change your colors by this area. And this is fill. So now if you want to choose a different color, go ahead and choose your favorite color or whatever color you like. I'm going to choose yellow because I like yellow. and we can just always do this. You just click, done. I made my sprite yellow, light yellow. And this is a line that you can draw like this. This is a circle, the same way you do it in Microsoft Paint. The same way with this it works. And this is eraser blocks. You can just always erase it all. So if you did any mistakes, just get the eraser block. You can also decrease the size by always doing this. Same for this paintbrush, and this is a reshape. You can do this, and you can shape your own sprite with the reshape. We're not gonna get to that now. This is text. If you want to write some text like this, you can just do it. So now we're done. Costume 2, it changes the legs, as you can see, but that's nothing different. Now we're gonna get to choose a sprite. So as you can see, we have lots. So now, as you can see, we have different sprites with their own name, and when you hover your cursor above some of the sprites, they change, right? Well, these are different costumes of the sprite you're watching. So this bear, you can see, has 2 costumes. This has 4. And this 3. Well, some of them don't have the different costumes, and so you can choose your thing. And as you can see, animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letters. Well, if you go to animals, it's all the animals in the whole sprite section. So these are areas that you want to find. So example, you want a drum, go to music and you can get the drum. So that's how you can sort out, and also you can search for your thing you are looking for, your sprite you're looking for. Now I'm just gonna add a sprite. You just click on it. I'm gonna add one that has lots and lots of costumes, like Dinosaur 5. Now if you go to costumes, I'm not going to go to costumes now. As you can see, there's Sprite 1 and Dinosaur 5. These are 2 characters in one. You can add other characters, but for now we're going to put 2. And now Dinosaur 5, you can click on Sprite 1 if you want to see his costumes and code for him. Or you can go to Dinosaur 5 at here, down here. And also, as you can see, its size. You can change its size and direction when you click on it like this. And over here, it shows which direction it will face. This, how it turns around. And this, nothing happens. As you can see, it has a slash. Do not rotate left or right as it sees. And now if you go to costumes, it has a lot of costumes. That's how it animated at the first place. As you can see, Dinosaur B, it has that area as if it's about to stomp and roaring. And the same area as if it's sitting and dancing. and opening its teeth. As you can see, there are different kinds of costumes for this. There are also similar dinosaurs, but we're not going to get to that. So that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for choosing 5plus1 musketeers, and be sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you hope you like the video. And later on parts, I'm gonna teach you how to code bigger and bigger programs. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.